How to fix the issue where your touchpad is not working on your Dell laptop. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is plugging in an external mouse to your computer. You could then open up your start menu and go and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then scroll down and click on touchpad. Now make sure the touchpad is turned on like you see here. You could then click on the drop down arrow and make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is checked like this. Now once you've done that, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the start menu, search for device manager and click on this window here. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices. You should be able to see your touchpad from the list. Now go and right click on this and click on update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select the HID compliant touchpad and go and press next. Once you've gone through these steps, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then right click on your touchpad, click on uninstall device and then press uninstall. Now your touchpad will stop working and you'll need to go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, that should have now solved the issue. If it's still not working, you may have a function key on your keyboard that enables and disables the touchpad. So typically this will be either the F6 or the F7 key on your keyboard, but you just need to look for a touchpad symbol on the F keys at the top. Once you've located your touchpad key, hold down the FN key and then press the F key at the same time. So like I said, this could be F6 or F7. You can just try a bunch of these to see which one works for you. So hopefully now your touchpad's enabled and working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.